Hello everyone. This video is part 4 of Unit 2 in Python. We are going to learn about data types. The data types are nothing but indicating the type of the value that gets stored in the variable. There are various data types in Python. They can be numbers, sequences, sets, or maps. Under numbers, we have int, long, float, and complex. Under sequences, there is string, list, and tuples. Sets are there, and maps get implemented as dictionary. Now, the numbers can be either integer, long, or floating point. Now, integer, the range is -2147483648 plus 2147483647, and long has an unlimited range. Now what is an integer? Integers basically indicate uh, the whole numbers, which can be from the minus, that is from the negative scale, or from the positive scale. Now the floating point numbers will have a decimal point, that is they represent the fractions. Again they can be from the numbers on the negative scale or positive scale. These are the various numbers that are possible: zero point 0.0, -21.9, 0.983, and so on. If we have -2.0 into 10 to the power 5, it will be represented as -2.0 E5. 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 5 will be written as 2.0 E minus 5. We have another data type which is none. Now, none indicates that there is no value that is getting stored. The next is sequence. Now, a sequence, it's nothing but some collection of items. Now, this can include either mutable or non-mutable data type. Now, mutable data types are those data types. Mutable means something which can be changed. So, mutable are all those objects where whose internal state can be changed. Whereas immutable doesn't allow any change in the object. I cannot change the object once an immutable object is created. There are three types of sequence data types in Python. So there is string, lists, and tuples. Strings and lists are mutable, whereas tuples are immutable. And strings is nothing but some collection of items. Now, what is a string? String is nothing but a sequence of some characters. They can be given either in double quotes or single quotes. So now with the help of double quote or single quote as specified, it tells the computer where has the string begin and where is it going to end. I can have any character, special character, numbers, a space, all these can be included in a string. So for example, if I have a variable name here, str underscore name equal to Vijay. So now this string Vijay gets assigned to this variable. The next is a list. Now, list is a sequence of values, and these values that I give within list are called elements. So, if I have a list here, date of birth equal to square bracket, list is given in square bracket. Here I give 19 comma January comma 1990. So I have an integer, a string, and another integer. These can be included in the list. It can have the items of the same type or different type. Here DOB is a list, and 19 January 1990 are the elements of the list. The next is tuple. Now tuples are also a sequence of values. They are given using simple brackets, not square brackets like list, but they are immutable. The next is sets. Sets is nothing but some collection of values. Now, these are not ordered. The set items are not ordered. But and I also cannot have any duplicate values. The sets are given using braces, these curly braces. If I say A is equal to curly braces 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 close curly braces, and I print, it will only print 1, 2 and 3 because no duplication entry is allowed in a set. So here also it prints all the values only once. The next is a map. A map is nothing but it's a collection of key value pairs. A map gets implemented using a dictionary. So consider an example here. Here D is a dictionary and I specify using curly braces. Now in the curly braces, I have to specify a key value pair in the dictionary. That is, the entries in the dictionary will be of key value pair. Now this key can be any data type, this value can be any type again. So if you take 1 colon Ajay, now here this is the key and this is the value. Key colon 2, 2 is the value, and key in which is a string, that becomes a key here. So there are two entries in the data in the dictionary. One is the key is 1, value is Ajay, and the other entry is key within single quotes and the value is 2. Thank you.